Alright, you guys, the lovely March 2022 Sakuraco box is here. It's the Sakura Afternoon Tea box. It is nice, let me tell you. Packaging, actually my box came bubble wrapped. Unlike the my other box, this box was actually bubbled and untarnished. So, I love that. Packaging was an A+. Now you open it up and we have these booklets packed with information. Good information. What each item is and the region they're from. And I think a little bit about who makes them, the company, etc. Most of the packaging in this box has English writing on there, so we don't have to wonder too much about what it is. But the booklet gives full breakdown of ingredients for each item. Almost everything in the box is Sakura flavored. I think there's a peach jelly in there. But this one right here is a Sakura jelly with actual Sakura inside of the jelly. I haven't tried anything in the box yet, but I'm very excited to try it. What surprised me the most, a lot of the ingredients in here is seafood, so if you guys have any allergies, do read the booklet first. It's also on their website what each item is made of, but a lot of them always say you may contain shrimp or crab. I'm happy about that, but a lot of people might not be so excited about. But loads of pastries in here, little small snacks, and that's the peach. That was the peach jelly I was telling you about. That right there is that's a cherry blossom cracker. And you have a little bit of tea in there, which yours truly is excited for. I think what topped it off for me is this surprise right here once I get the box open. So they always include a form of dishware in there in the box, and this is a Japanese sake glass made exclusively just for this box by Sakuraco, and I love it, let me tell you.